Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 AMG GLC 63S Coupe. This one's an obsidian black metallic. Underneath the hood is a handcrafted V8 twin turbo pushing out 503 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one does come with the AMG Night package, which is going to give you a blacked out exterior trim. For wheels, we've got 21-inch AMG forged cross-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black Nappa leather interior, sunroof. Come around back, rear spoiler, AMG GLC 63S badging. AMG exhaust. Power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Alongside, this one does have a blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, illuminated trim, heated seats, memory seats, illuminated door sills. This one also does come with the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you an active blind spot assist, Distronic Plus with steering assist, active lane keeping assist, pre-safe, speed limit assist. In, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, natural grain black ash wood center console, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, dynamic select for different driving patterns. Let's go ahead and put it in race and hear that exhaust. Sounds nice. Touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLC 63 has 14,027 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 63S AMG, check out feldmanimports.com.